Today in this video, I'll show you how can you withdraw your Snapchat Spotlight earnings. So let's jump right into it without wasting no time. First, open Snapchat and tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to the Spotlight area of the app. From here, you find Spotlight videos from different creators. So you find viral ones, maybe some ones that didn't make or didn't go well. If you want to post yours, tap right here in the bottom. And then from here, record your video from here. And the video has to be more than 6 seconds long in order for it to be posted on your Spotlight, or else it won't be able to do that. So once you're done from that, tap on send to in the bottom right corner, and then you find this Spotlight section at the top of the screen. So select it, tap on OK, and you can post videos from there. If your video or Spotlight goes well, you can tap right here on your profile, and you should find the My Snap Crystals right here on your profile. Tap on it, and then from here you can go ahead and cash out your earnings on Snapchat. And that is basically it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.